Welcome! In front of me I have NOKIA Activite Steel, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to download and install the Withings Health Mate application. To do it, we need to make sure we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search and type in Withings. Once you type it in, tap on Search, and you should see this application on the list of apps, Withings Health Mate. Once you see it, tap on Install button and wait until the application is done installing. And once the application is done installing, tap on the Open button to open the app. In the application, tap on Get Started. Enter the email address or use the Google account to log in. I'm just gonna enter my email address. Then tap on Continue. And now I will receive the code on that email, and I need to enter the code that I received. So let's wait for the code. Here we have it. So now I can enter the code. And tap on Next. After you log in, you will see the home page of the application. Now tap on the device icon in the top right corner, and here you should see the option called Install Device. Tap on it, tap on Watches, and find the Activite watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it, tap on Install. If you see this pop up, tap on Allow, and tap on Allow to allow the permission. And as you can see, we need to wake up our watch, and to wake it up you need to pick up your watch. On the back of the watch you will see this little button right here, and you need to press it. Usually your watch comes with a tool you can use to press it. I'm gonna use the SIM eject tool to simply press on this button. Come on, like this. Press and hold it for a second or two, release it, the watch will vibrate, which means it woke up. Then we can tap on Next, and the app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch after you activate it, wake it up. As you can see, it says device detected. Now we can tap on Next, select our account or profile. Here we can calibrate our watch. So basically we need to tap on Calibrate, and here we need to make sure that the hour hand is pointing to hour and minute hand is pointing to 12. As you can see, it's a bit out of sync. As you can see, the one hand is pointing almost to 12, but the other one is not. And we can calibrate it by swiping on this wheel. We can basically rotate it, then we can tap on Next, and now we can adjust the second hand. Okay, that's close enough. Then tap on Next, and we can also adjust this hand. Okay, then tap on Next, and once you're done calibrating, you can tap on Done. Here we can set up a goal for our steps by swiping up and down, and tap on OK. And once you're done, you should see home page again. You can tap on device icon, and here you should see your device right here on the devices page. And that means that the device is paired with our phone, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.